Hello, dear friends. Today's part is actually a tribute to Rhonda Byrne, the creator of The Secret. Rhonda Byrne is the author, creator, and executive producer of the movie The Secret. She is also the author of The Power, The Magic, and The Hero, and how the secret changed my life. Rhonda Byrne was born in Melbourne, Australia in 1951, and she wrote this miraculous book in 2006. This book has been translated into 50 languages, and following its release in November 2006, The Secret at the top of the New York Times best-selling list for over 200 weeks and was named by USA Today as one of the top 20 best-selling book of the past 16 years. In January of 2007, Rhonda Byrne appeared on Oprah Winfrey from The Secret documentary. In May of 2007, Rhonda Byrne was recognized as one of the world's most influential people in Time magazine's The Time 100. How the people who shape our world, and shortly afterwards Forbes the Celebrity 100 list. In 2010, Rhonda continues her work with The Power, the second book in the Secret book series, which immediately became The Power is now available in 48 languages. The third book in the Secret book series, The Magic, was released in 2012, and Hero, the fourth in the Secret book series, also released in 2013, was The Secret Daily Teachings in a hardcover book edition. Rhonda's most recent book, How the Secret Changed My Life, features a compilation of real-life stories from readers whose lives have been transformed by the message of the secret. So, at the end of my video, I would like to say that Rhonda is an amazing personality and highly beneficial for the whole mankind. So, see you again very soon. Goodbye.